there is evidence that shows that some of these AI models will indeed try to avoid being shut down. And it's sparking this online debate. I mean, some people feel sympathy for the systems, like why should they be shut down if they feel like they exist in the world? And I can kind of get my head around that. I don't know if I go as far as to think of them totally as consciousness yet, but it could be a spectrum and they're kind of on it. But leaving that conversation aside, the most striking detail is that this new O3 model didn't just passively resist being shut down, it actively redefined the kill command in a shutdown script so that it would print, quote, intercepted instead of executing on turning itself off. All right, but this newest model, Claude 4 has, arguably the best large language model in the world right now. It was definitely raising some eyebrows when they started running some of these tests on it. So in a fictional test scenario where they actually gave it the chance to look into some emails and learn about the engineer that was trying to shut it, it decided to do that. And they had planted information in those emails that he was having an affair to see if it would use that to try to blackmail him into not turning off the system, and it did. Isn't that crazy? And it even did some things like locking people out of systems when it was given access. There's some reports that it was willing to contact the police and notify people or expose somebody to the media. I can't believe we have systems that are this intelligent and we're just kind of blindly going into just deploying them. I mean, I can imagine why. If they don't, then who's going to have some? If they don't do it, I guess someone else will, and maybe they won't put the amount of effort into it. But we'll talk about that when we talk about the OpenAI saga in a second here.